the trailer of the film has been well received by the audience. How does it feel?
Very satisfying because obviously we set out to do something new and unique and interesting, and we did it for the people who like it, and we're very, very happy with the response.
Same here, when your experimentation or your hard work is appreciated and approved by the audience, it feels nice. So who will say that
So
you
did you
feel
expect her
bad?
not to feel happy about it?
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
yeah, so that's why I feel happy. So yeah.
Okay. Tapsi, this question is for you. Pink Baby, The Ghazi Attack, RunningShadi.com, and Naam Shabana. You have been doing some more incredible roles. What are your criteria when you pick those roles?
I pick the directors most of the times because I feel a good director can make an average film also really good, and then comes the script and my role. That's as simple as that. And I've not reached a position where I can say, okay, you make a film for me or you make a film for me. So I just choose from whatever options I get. I just choose from the best out of that.
Tapsi, you have a small part in the trailer. Not much has been revealed. Can you share about your role in the film?
So I play, my character's name is Ananya. I play a Bangladeshi refugee. So this incident, when it happened in 1971, is the same year Bangladesh was formed. From East Pakistan, it became Bangladesh. So that's why my character, like we try to incorporate that fact also in the film, and hence my character is from that part of the world, that part of the land. And she's a refugee, so she has seen her family getting killed in front of her own eyes. So the only thing she's left with is herself, and she wants to really live, and it's not like she's given up on life. So she saves herself out of it and runs away, and she happens to come across this big accident, and these naval officers save her from that and get her into the submarine. So you'll see me doing that.
Okay. So how was your experience working with Tapsi?
Well, obviously, it's always like this is the third film that I've been together with her. Whether it's I did a Tamil film before, I did Baby before, and somebody I've known all my life. I've known her for the last 7-8 years, from when she's become an actor. I mean, I'm very fond of her as a human being. I'm very fond of the kind of cinema that she does, and I'm very happy that she's part of this film, and I'm very happy with the kind of work that she does.
And how was your experience, Tapsi?
Outstanding.
Yeah, I mean, one word he's answered it, but then
There's nothing. There's nothing else to say.
no, we have worked together. We've been like, funnily, we both started in Telugu but never got to work in Telugu together. So this is the film that we are doing in Telugu and Hindi as well. So nice to be working on a set with him, because I've known him as a person. Now I know him as an actor as also after this film, working with him. After I would like to really do a full-fledged film with him where I can like work with him for more number of days, but I really look forward to it. With the kind of track record we've had together with both the films that we've done before, I think we are again gonna nail it.
Indeed. Rana is such a serious actor, even behind the cameras, or does he play pranks or fun?
He is anything but serious behind the camera. Yeah, let me tell you that.
How different it was. Rana, if audience will get the answer that Katappa ne Bahubali ko kyun mara in Bahubali 2?
That's the whole reason we made this film. So that it's the conclusion, it's the answer. Yes, they will.
Okay, so the final question. Tapsi, there's a matrimonial site Shadi.com which has filed a case against your RunningShadi.com to change the title. What's your take?
It's done. The case is sorted. We have changed the name. Now it's Running Shadi. Does it make a difference? I don't think so.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.